Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 23rd, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound, boy, has been about as sideways can get, but I definitely would expect this to go down to really anywhere between the 38 and the 78% Fibonacci retracement. I still think this is going to be a retracement, but most likely it's a daily time frame retracement. So I definitely would be looking for shorts, especially because we have that breaker structure over here. The only thing that really will turn me back into a buyer at this point is seeing this right here, or if it does, make its way down and eventually give us a nice Fibonacci retracement bounce with a nice breaker structure, that definitely will turn me back into a buyer. But as of right now, I'm definitely looking for shorts. I'm looking to go short at the end of every three-way pullback I see until I see evidence that this move down is over, like preferably a breaker structure on a little bit of a higher time frame, like the daily or 4-hour time frame. Till then, I'll definitely be looking for shorts every chance I get for the continuation of this move down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.